If you want to talk about the parking thing now, you can.
Okay, so we're looking for the parking now. One of the main reasons, yes you do, you always do. If the car is moving, your seatbelts are always.
Isn't there parking right there?
No, this is just for 3 minutes.
Falls.
Yes, we're gonna go to Niagara Falls, maybe.
Just for what?
So when you come, you can come to the
Wait,
front.
I'm not ready. I have my
I know, just don't panic. You can park your vehicle and then go check in, and then they'll give you the slip.
I'm the Niagara Falls.
We are, baby. We're just gonna park her car.
So 3 right is what she said.
I see Holiday Inn by the. That's not it.
She said 3 right, so I think I have to come back.
Okay, so we're looking for the parking lot. Anyway, so one of the main reasons we chose Holiday Inn was because it was one of the few hotels which had parking included. All the other ones was extra. Some of them were even charging something as ridiculous as $35. And the price is reasonable too. The reviews seemed okay, so I decided to book here. We'll see.
She said 3 right, so I didn't want. Oh, I guess 1 including me
Getting out of the parking lot.
getting. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I think I saw those pink slips. Or I could be wrong. Yep, I see pink slips.
Where's the door? We'll try to find the nearest
Right here.
parking. Okay, so it's right there, and there's parking.
Okay, let's get out. Everybody needs this.
Okay, so here we are. Skyline Tower is right there. They are open, but no dinners.
Okay, here.
What is Skyline Tower?
Right over there.
Okay, so we're gonna be going inside. Obviously, I got a bunch of stuff to carry. I'm gonna hook up my camera to my.
I'll hold it with you.
All right, we're just walking in now. Who? Nothing. Why?
It's not the light.
Okay, I think our room number is 526.
Yeah, 526.
There has to be. Go through here. I think there's elevators, right?
Gotta go.
Oh, thank you.
I see elevator.
Yeah.
We're going up, right?
Yeah.
Five, got it.
Yeah, I'm just curious how they're sanitizing all this. Just because
I'm sure there's somebody wiping these things every now and
I'm
then.
just curious.
Try not to
Hey,
touch
there's a mirror.
unnecessary things, okay, boo boo?
Well, I can look at stuff.
You can look at stuff, but
Don't touch.
avoid touching.
Okay. That I can do.
Thank
We're
you.
on number 5. So room 26, right?
Yes.
Wanna watch that? Right there.
So look at the map right there. Right out of view, it tells you, right? 501, 502, 5032. The rest is over on this side. So 5.
506. We are looking for 26.
What do I feel like? 27. 26 is right over here.
Can I open?
No.
Why do you think we have a card?
Oh, can I?
Otherwise, anyone can come and walk into the hotel. Okay, you can't have too many things here. I mean, where's the arrow? Where's the arrow pointing?
Oh. Why
Okay, take it out right away. It'll be green. Okay,
Yeah.
now push. Now push. Ah, okay,
No, it's too late. You gotta do it again.
the other way. Now you see why I said let me do it.
There you go. This is our place for the next day.
Where's
Well,
we put our shoes?
You can walk with your shoes.
I don't want to.
I don't know. I'm gonna walk with my shoes and
Yeah.
So we're in a two-bedded room. That's good because we don't have much people here.
Well, it's just us, right?
A TV.
Do that again?
What?
It's like you've never seen a TV before. Mom, can you turn on the lights?
Yeah.
Alright, now I'm gonna give a tour of this room.
Yeah.
Just about now. Alright, so this is the hotel, or sorry, I should say room, where we're gonna be spending the night. It was $109 plus tax, which is pretty cheap in my opinion. Nice little bath. It's okay for one day.
Yes, I see.
So this is a closet where you hang your stuff,
Oh.
and then 2 double bed.
Yeah.
Right, and a nice little TV. Again, nothing big. Like I said, our focus was to do something local, spend money locally, look after. Oh, there was that a fly? No. Okay, and we have a
Tell me, Mom. Okay. Yes, there's a fly. Okay, try it. It's a fly. Like seriously.
okay. How do you? Okay, Mom, can you figure this out?
What? Figure what out?
This is a night lock. Yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. Well. All right. I'll do it, Amma.
No, I want it.
Okay, open it.
This is a balcony, all right.
Wow. Why?
That's close because all of the apartments are,
So I close Daddy, close it.
Okay.
I don't want bugs in our room.
It's your balcony. I don't know, not that great in my opinion. I would not let my son over here.
Where?
That's nothing fancy.
Nothing super fancy again, so I guess I want to say you get what you pay for, but we're just spending one night, and I was right, there is a fly.
Yeah, it was.
Okay, we need to take care of that.